Hi Sketchlab friends, do you want to learn how to draw the cutest spooky treat? Well, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to draw a zombie cupcake step by step. A fun and easy Halloween art project, perfect for kids, beginners, or anyone who loves creepy cute designs. So we're doing 2 dots and a foreshortened circle, and this is going to start the cylinder of our cupcake. See, these lines are going to taper down, they're going to get closer together at the bottom. We draw this bottom curve, we're curving the line down, we're trying to match the top of the cupcake. Now we're going to go ahead and add the lines for the cupcake liner. So there will be some construction lines today, so the top of this cupcake we're actually going to be erasing off. And now we're just going to draw a basic shape. This is going to be the foundation of the frosting. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and start adding the expression in. So our zombie is going to have one giant eyeball. So I like to move my hand in a circular motion, and then I place my pencil on the paper. And our little zombie is going to have little blood vessels showing in his eyes. Now we're going to add a cute little expression. I'm going to add a little smiley face. Draw another little line that curves down. Inside the mouth, I'm going to add a little tooth. And then a little tongue, so I'm going to curve a line up. And then for the other eye of the zombie, I'm going to go ahead and just have one eye closed. So I'm going to curve a line up. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and change the outline of our shape. So you see I curved the line to the right. I'm going to go ahead and curve a line to the right again. This kind of creates that shark fin. And now look at this. I'm going to start curving these lines out to the right. And that's going to create those layers of frosting on top of our zombie cupcake today. And don't forget those gummy worms today. It's going to be awesome. Using these wavy lines, so now we're using overlapping. So that's helping to create space in our drawing. I'm going to go ahead and erase off some of those construction lines, cleaning up my work. And now I'm going to go ahead and start curving these lines out to the left. Once again, creating those layers of frosting. So right here, I'm going to add a little detail where I'm going to be placing a gummy worm. So it kind of looks like I gave it a little eyebrow there. And on top of that spot, I'm going to go ahead and add a gummy worm. I'm going to use some cross contour lines that curve around the form. If I were to draw a straight line, it would make it look flat. You can see those cross contour lines make that cylinder look more three-dimensional. We're going to add another gummy worm. And once again, using those cross contour lines. And we're going to add one more little gummy worm sticking out of the frosting here above the right eye. So don't worry, this zombie cupcake is definitely more silly than scary today. It's sweet, scary, and maybe a little gross, but it's perfect for Halloween. So now's a good time to stand back from your work, make any adjustments as needed. I'm just going to clean up some construction lines before I outline. And today I'm just going to go in with a Sharpie marker. So get ready to grab your Posca paint markers, and if you don't have Poscas, don't worry. I'm basically just using color as value today. So I'll have a light green and a darker green. I'll have a light purple, a dark purple, and I also have pink and a darker red, and yellow ochre and orange. So you can see the darker value really helps to add in the shadows. And we're also adding some texture in there, dotting the paint marker. And once again, adding in those shadows. And wow, look at that, guys. I'm gonna go back in, outline that with some Sharpie marker. And I'm gonna go back and add a little bit more color onto that one gummy worm right there. Bam. Well, hey guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.